So here we are. We got a new mod coming. So the car is his. It's officially his now. It ain't mine. It ain't none of that. We stopped. It ain't none of that. So we got a new mod coming, guys. We getting the stars done. So we're gonna take the headliner out.
Racing, bro?
And we gonna just show y'all a couple little clips here and there. We going with how many stars?
7 or 8?
7 or 8?
Yeah.
We going with 7.
I thought it was AMG because the dual.
How many stars you going with?
800.
800?
Yeah.
Yeah,
the dual tips, it makes it look like the AMG, right? Yeah.
So yeah, I'm gonna just give y'all a little walk around of the car.
What do you have, like 3 something right now? Yeah, around there. This is the turbo one.
So we got the headliner out. And I think you're still saying we're going with 800.
Yeah, for sure.
800 stars on this headliner, man.
I wanted to change it out too because that shit's sagging. I don't know if you can tell.
Like right here in the corner?
Yeah, like right here in the corner, they're starting to sag. So I was like, damn. It started spreading more, so.
That's why I told you, bro. Like, use this, it's gonna sag.
Yeah, all this right here in the corners. We're gonna start doing it from the front angle. Like, for sure.
So what's the plan on how you usually do it, bro?
What, sway?
Yeah.
Well, the sway on it, bro, it's kind of hard to take out.
Is it hard? Dad, should we do the sway on the summer?
I mean,
Oh shit! Damn. Shit, that shit's locked in
no,
there.
you probably, I don't know. Probably, I don't know.
I don't know, but nah, that's good.
We're rolling back. No seats. No top. No visors. We rolling.
No mirror to look back.
Later.
Was it a pain in the ass or what?
Yeah, the old phone was in the ass, bro. Look good, bro.
What's up? What's up?
What's going on, man? You alright?
Chilling. This is it.
Sir.
So, would it be a remote or like an app?
It's an app. It's a remote. I don't really use the remote, bro.
Yeah, I'm not gonna use a remote.
Your fuse box is in the trunk, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm gonna have to run to the fuse, so. Where's it in, bro? You let me get the mud?
Give y'all a little walkthrough real quick. Show them in action.
It's a long one now, but that's the back.
You sure you don't want to leave them like this, Jay?
Find out if there's another problem, bro.
Turn that on white.
Shit, it's time to get some cheddar. I know this place gon' turn
Alright guys, so here we are replacing the windshield. I got this guy that I met at a windshield repair place, and I've been using him since. Here he's taking the seals off and he's about to cut the rubber around the edge of the windshield. It's a very easy job to do, but you gotta know what you're doing. So in this case, we paying the professionals. So as y'all can see, he's just basically, he has like a little hook. Basically puts force on it and runs it around the whole windshield. He's about to heat it up with a torch. He's still removing the old windshield. So this is not the new windshield. Here's the new front windshield. My recommendation would be to look over it, inspect it. Here I see a little bit, I'm not sure what that is. It might be the lighting or something, but they try to install, not this guy, but a company has tried to install one. And as soon as they were installing it, I was looking over it. I said, man, that looks, sometimes they have it looks like a magnifying inside, like it's blurry on the inside of that windshield. So make sure y'all take a look at it before they install it. Alright, so he's still kind of jackhammering the glue, I guess, the seal. As y'all can see, he has like a flat spatula attachment to a sawzall. Pretty interesting. Here he put the new one in place. It looks like he has a suction cup over there and he's trying to align it, get it perfect how he wants it. Over here we got the old one. This one's trash. So here is the Mercedes, guys. Give y'all a quick update. So we are changing, we have changed out these and we're also changing these. We're going with clear now. Missing a bulb in there. Gotta put the bulb in there. And he's also gonna do some, I think he got some side skirts for it.